friends, welcome to Spandan Learning. Merry Christmas. Do you remember in my previous video I have made this Christmas tree? If you have not watched this video till now, link of this video is in cards and in description box. New Year is also coming, so I thought to make a test calendar. It is very simple to make. Let's see how to make it. So first take a cardboard box like this, and then take a colored paper like this, and then paste this paper on this box. I have pasted paper on this box, and I have made some space here with craft knife, and now I have taken a strip of paper and I have written it months January, February, March and more, and now I am putting this here like this, and from here I am going to paste this. In the same way, here I have pasted of days, and here I have pasted the dates, and here I have pasted 2021, and now I am going to paste sellotape here to lock this. Now I have taken a Power Ranger cutout. You can take any cutout you want to paste, and now I am going to paste this here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss my new videos update. Bye. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.